Hello everyone, welcome to our T.T.T Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about matrix and determinants concept for your diploma CET. Myself, Dr. Savina JP from T.T.T Academy. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗೆ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ in that first I am going to start with the matrix portions. Later that I am going to discuss about types of matrix. Later adra mele prathiyondu concept mele onondu example na kuda ನಾವು study ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. So first, what do you mean by matrix? So dear students, we know that the matrix antibate the set of numbers which are arranged in rows and column and finally enclosed by a bracket. So normally ನಾವು matrix ನಾವು capital letters alphabetics letters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು study ಅದನ್ನ denote ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Suppose you can observe here is a small example in which suppose if you consider the matrix, definition of matrix na nodta hodadre the set of numbers which are arranged in rows and column and enclosed by a bracket. You can observe here, and enclosed by a bracket. See, this is a one simple example. A is a matrix which is denoted by a capital letter. So in which the matrix, I mean different numbers ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. So the numbers which are arranged in a rows, this is you can call it as a first row elements. And these are the second row elements, and these are the I can call it as a consider as a third row elements. Similarly, if you come into this one, that is the first column elements, second column elements, and third column elements, and finally which is enclosed by a bracket. See next one more example adana consideration ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ dear students, ಈ numbers ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this numbers is going to called as elements of matrix. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು elements of matrix. In this, how many elements here? There are 9 elements which are arranged in first row, second row, third row. Similarly, first column, second column, and third column. That means that here in this there are 3 rows into 3 columns. 3 rows into 3 columns. That is a size. E 3 into 3 which express the 3 rows into 3 columns. Sorry, 3 rows into 3 columns. So this express ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ size of matrix ನ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Size of matrix which express the size of matrix. This is also going to called as one more name ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that is order ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That is also going to called as order of matrix. The numbers which are arranged in a rows and column and finally enclosed by a bracket. So one more example ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. That is, suppose you can observe here, this is again 1 4 3 1 3, in which this is the numbers which are located in a first row, and here 1 3 is in second row. Suppose if you consider this is vertically ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ 1 1, that is in a first column, and 4 3 the elements which are in second column. So what is the size of matrix? ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರ size? Size means order. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Here there are 2 rows into 2 rows and 2 columns. This is express the order of matrix. Next, one more example here, that is in this A is another example in which here you can observe here only 2 rows. This is the first row and this is your second row. I mean that here there are 2 rows into how many columns? First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Therefore 4 columns. This is the order of or size of matrix. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು the matrix which are enclosed in a bracket and denoted by capital letters of alpha, English alphabets ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. Next, dear students, I am going to just for a brief I am going to discuss about again matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ that is we are going to denoted by a letter, capital letters A, B, C, anything ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, in which the numbers which are arranged in rows and columns. Suppose A is a matrix, suppose 3 2 1 5 6 7. Okay, so this is one of the matrix in which 2 rows into 2 columns. Similarly I am going to consider as A is another matrix. One more example, suppose where it is 3 located, dear students, 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ see 3 which is located in first row and first column. So the reason that elements na enta kariyana A11 which represents first row and first column. This is the one of the element. Next, coming to second, this one for with respect to 2 ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ that is A12 first row second column. Next A13 first row third column. Next, coming to another row that is second row first column that is a 5 ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ a second row first column, a second row second column, a second row third column. So this is another, ಇದು elements position represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Similarly, I am going to consider one more example. Suppose where B is an example. Okay, B is another example for matrix where B equal to B11, B12, B21 second row first column, B22 second row second column, and finally which is enclosed by a bracket. So from this ಏನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. First type, that is row matrix. The row matrix is nothing but the matrix consisting only one row. Such type of matrix you can call it as a row matrix. Nodili only one row irutte, adakke nanu row matrix anta karita idini. Example, suppose A is a matrix, where A is a matrix, A equal to 2 minus 1 3. See, observe here, how many rows here? Only one row, but how many columns here? There are three columns. This is the example for row matrix. Another example, suppose B equal to 6 minus 4 5 8. So how many rows here? Again only one row, but three columns. One row into 4 columns. There are 4 columns here. That is what the types of matrix with respect to row matrix. Second one, that is column matrix. What is a column matrix? The matrix consisting of only one column. Suppose nodili observe ಮಾಡಿ, only one column, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That is going to called as column matrix. So example here, so A is equal to 3 minus 1 6. See, observe here, this is what A matrix, in which how many rows? Always you are representing row first. How many rows here? There are 3 rows into only one column. That means rows into column. One more example, suppose B is another matrix in which 6 1 3 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, in which ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? There are 4 elements, but which are located in placed in 4 rows but only one column. So 4 rows ಇದೆ, 1 2 3 4 into one column. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾನು column matrix, we can call it as a column matrix. Next, dear students, another type is zero matrix, or also going to call it as a null matrix. Zero matrix ನಾವು one more ಹೆಸರು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, that is null matrix. ಏನು zero matrix or null matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the matrix which is consisting of all the elements in a matrix are equal to 0. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Suppose, dear students, A equal to 0 0 0 0, in which what you can observe here, the matrix in which all elements are equal to 0, but its size is 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, but all elements are 0. This is the type of matrix you can call it as a null matrix, or also going to call it as zero matrix. So one more example ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Suppose B ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ 0 0, even though this is also example for zero matrix, but the size is 2 cross 1, 2 rows into only one column. So next type is, that is square matrix. What is a square matrix? Square matrix is nothing but the matrix consisting of equal number of rows and column. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ A equal to, example, A equal to 2 minus 1 3 5. Clear? How many rows here? There are 2 rows into 2 columns. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 rows ಇದೆ and 2 columns ಇದೆ. So ಏನರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? The matrix consisting of equal number of rows. Suppose number of rows will be equal to number of column. So ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು ನಾವು ರೋ, square matrix. Next, another example, if you want, you can take like a B equal to Suppose 4 minus 1 5 6 3 2 1 7 8. Okay, so this is a matrix which having 3 rows into 3 column. Again, number of rows is equal to number of column, 3 into 3. This is also example for square matrix. Next, dear students, that is diagonal matrix. Another type is diagonal matrix. So what is a diagonal matrix? The matrix whose all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. I mean that, suppose if you consider any square matrix, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು square matrix ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, just observe here, for example, for a square matrix, suppose A equal to 3 2 minus 1 5 6 8 1 3 4. What is this? This is the square matrix actually, we know that, right? In which, dear students, here 3 6 4 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು diagonal elements ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That is the first principal diagonal elements. This is usually going to called as first principal diagonal elements ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. First principal diagonal elements. So ಈ ಒಂದು first principal diagonal element ಬಿಟ್ಟು except first principal or principal diagonal elements, all other elements are 0. Such type of matrix you can call it as a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. So ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ನಿಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿರೋಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಂತ A matrix ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is a square matrix. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ example for what? That is for a square matrix. Square matrix. So what is a diagonal matrix then? Again you can go through this statement. A square matrix whose all the elements, sorry, yes, that is also a square matrix because diagonal matrix is a square matrix only. Our condition satisfy agbeku, but diagonal elements should be equal to some values irutte, other than the diagonal elements should be equal to 0. Suppose let me consider A is a diagonal matrix in which suppose 4 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 minus 1. This is the diagonal matrix. ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡೈನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರ್ ದನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ diagonal matrix. Dear students, for your understanding purpose, I am going to consider one more example. Suppose 3 0 0 5. Again, this is also a one more example for diagonal matrix of 2 cross 2 size. 2 cross 2 size. ಇದೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದು first one, that is size of 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. So these are the examples for diagonal matrix. Next one, scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is nothing but the matrix which satisfy the condition of diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, the first principal diagonal elements ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, other than the principal elements are equal to 0. Same condition satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕು, but the condition is all that first principal diagonal element should be same, equal, ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. Suppose, see, observe according to the statement, it is a diagonal matrix in which all the elements in principal diagonal elements are same ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆ principal diagonal elements ಒಂದೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Suppose A equal to, example, A equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. This is the example for scalar matrix of size 3 cross 3. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೌದು, at the same time diagonal matrix ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು, but the condition is ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ diagonal matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ diagonals ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಣ. ಸೊ B equal to -4 0 0 0 -4 0 0 0 -4. So again this is one more example for scalar matrix. Again this size is 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. So I hope that you are understanding the concept. Next one, that is unit matrix, are also going to call it as, one more name is there, that is identity matrix. Unit matrix are also going to call it as identity matrix. See, dear students, this unit matrix or identity matrix usually we are going to denote by a letter I. Alphabets, English alphabets, letter I alli ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, unit or identity. So what is this, sir? See, this unit matrix or identity matrix is also a square matrix, diagonal matrix, even though it satisfies the condition of scalar matrix, but the first principal diagonal element should be equal to 1 only. Suppose again, this identity matrix or unit matrix is going to denoted by letter I. So I equal to 1 0 0 1. See, observe here, in which first principal diagonal element ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 1 1 only. and other elements are equal to 0. This is the example for 2 cross 2 identity matrix or unit matrix. One more example. Again, I equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the another example for identity matrix or unit matrix of size 3 cross 3. I mean, in which 3 rows and 3 columns are there. 3 rows and 3 columns. This is an example for unit matrix are also going to consider as identity matrix. Next one, dear students, equal matrix. So what is this equal matrix? So ishtatanaka navu first 7 types na observe madidvi, in which only one matrix na tagondbiಟ್ಟು ಅದರದು conditional discussion madidvi. Suppose ನೀವು equal matrix ಅಂತ consideration ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, in this matrices there are 2 matrices here. So in which ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, suppose A is a one matrix, B is another matrix ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, A matrix in a size and B matrix in a size should be equal, as well as A matrix elements and B matrix elements also should be equal. Such type of matrix I can call it as a equal matrix. Suppose, dear students, take an example. A equal to 3 minus 2 1 5 6 4. Okay, this is the A matrix. And one more example I am told that is B matrix. Yeah, what is the size of A matrix? The size of A matrix is 2 rows into 3 columns. Coming to the B matrix, again in which also 3 minus 2 1 5 6 4 5 6 4. So in which you can observe here, that is 2 rows into 3 columns. 2 rows into 3 columns. See, in which A matrix size is 2 cross 3, B matrix size also 2 cross 3, and A matrix elements and B matrix elements again all are equal. Such type of matrix is going to called as equal matrices. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು equal matrices ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀನಿ. In this condition ಎಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, A equal to B. A equal to B. So these are the some of the different types of matrices which are very essential for important things. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ further steps ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ವಿತ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಆಥರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, TTT ಆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಡಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ಪಿರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್. So there are different operations now one by one study ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. First one, that is addition of matrix. Dear students, if you consider the two matrices, ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವೆರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 8 3 7. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ 2 cross 2. Coming to here B matrix, again here also this is a size is 2 cross 2. See, in which A matrix ನನಗೆ my aim is to find adding A matrix and B matrix, I mean addition, correct alva? A suppose plus B ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that means adding of two matrices here. So first A plus B equal to, what is the A matrix? This is A plus, this I can call it as a B matrix. So A matrix elements are 4 8 3 7 1 0 5 2, that is the elements of B matrix. Now dear aspirants, here in this the procedure is very simple, that respective elements that we need to add it. Suppose here this first element, first row and first column elements of first matrix, first row and second column, first row and first column elements of second matrix, I mean B matrix. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That means 4 plus 1, this is 4 plus 1. Next 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0. Here 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5. Next 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2. This is the procedure of adding two matrices. So what is the answer then? Then A plus B equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. 8 plus 0, that is 8 itself. 3 plus 5, again 8, 7 plus 2, that is 9. That is 9. So again you can observe here, the size of matrix is 2 cross 2 only. This is a simple concept, that is addition of two matrices. Next, I am going to consider one more example. Suppose if A equal to 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And I am going to consider one more example, B equal to 7, 3, 2, 5, 1, 3. This is the B matrix. Then what is our aim? My aim is to adding two matrices. So nothing but addition A plus B. A plus B. What is A? 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 5, 6. This is the A matrix. Plus. Next second matrix is B. What is the B matrix elements? 7, 3, 2, 5, 1, 3. So now dear students, A plus B will be equal to. So I guess last slide alli nanu nimage discussion madidvi yav tara procedure anta helidre first elements with first elements, second this one with this one, suppose 2 with 3 only. That means enagutte 3 plus 7, observe here, 3 plus 7. Next 2 plus 3. Next minus 1 plus 2. Coming to this one, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Next 5 plus 1. Next last element, that is 3, 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Now dear students, you can observe here, A plus B equal to, what is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Minus 1 plus 2. Here there are, one is negative number, one is positive number. We have to subtract it, higher number sign, nothing but 1. Next 4 plus 5, what is 4 plus 5? 9 again. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. This is an addition procedure. This is the size is 2 rows into 3 column. 2 rows into 3 column. Okay, this is what the structure and procedure of adding two matrices. Next, I am going to consider with a subtraction of matrix, which is very similar to the addition only. But in case of addition, we are adding two matrices, like A is a matrix and B is a matrix. Eradu tagondbiಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Suppose ನಾನು subtraction ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, that is we are subtracting one matrix from the another. Suppose A is a matrix and B is a matrix. A minus B, A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Means dear students, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, that equal to what is? Suppose here I am going to consider as A is a matrix ಅಂತ assume ಮಾಡೋಣ, where A is a matrix of elements 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a A matrix. And one more example, that is another matrix is B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our aim is to subtract nothing but A minus B. A minus B, that is a subtraction of matrix. So A minus B equal to, what is A matrix? Let me consider this is A matrix plus this is a B matrix. Clear, right? So A minus B, A is 5, 6, 7, 8. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So respective elements remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ like 5, not a minus, sorry, this is what subtraction, so minus A minus B minus. So 5 minus 1, so here 5 minus 1. Next 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3. Next 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4. See, next the final answer is 5 minus 1 is, we know that 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 3 again 4. 8 minus 4 also 4. This is what your answer. Just observe here, this is the answer. Clear, right? That is a subtraction of matrices. Next dear students, scalar multiplication of matrices. What is the scalar multiplication? Again it's simple. First ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ ಈಗ, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix. Next thing is scalar multiplication of matrix. See, scalar multiplication means the constant term or constant value, I mean scalar value, I am going to multiply to the matrix. That means matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, n number different elements are there. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೇ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಕೆ ಇಸ್ ಎ, ಕೆ ನ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೆ, ಕೆ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ and A is a matrix. Suppose A equal to 3, 2, 1, 5, 7, 3. This is a matrix. Then multiplication like a k into a. What is k? We know that where k is a scalar constant, that is k is kept same, into what is a? A is matrix 3, 2, 1, 5, 7, 3. Okay. Next, if you multiply this k to every element, that is the procedure of scalar multiplication of a matrix. So now ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ k ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ dear students, we need to multiply to every elements, ಈ ಒಂದು element, this element, this element, this one, this one, this one. For ಎಲ್ಲ elements ಕೂಡ ನಾವು k ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That is the procedure of multiplication of scalar. I mean scalar multiplication. K into 3, it becomes 3k. Again next, k into 2, it becomes 2k. K into 1, 1k. Next k into 5, 5k. K into 7, 7k. K into 3, 3k. This is what the scalar multiplication. ಈ ತರ ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, this ಗೆ ನಾನು scalar multiplication of matrix ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes, scalar ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳೋದು constant value where A is a matrix. Okay, I'm going to consider one more example for your understanding purpose. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು one more example ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. If suppose if A equal to 4, 2, minus 1, 5. Okay. Then 3a is dash. Then 3a is dash. It's a simple thing. See, what is that? Where 3 is a constant here. 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮದೊಂದು constant value and a is a matrix. Suppose if ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ dear aspirants, 3 into a. 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು constant, keep it same. What is a? A is a matrix 4, 2, minus 1, 5. 4, 2, minus 1, 5. Suppose if you multiplied that, ಅದನ್ನು respectively multiply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, that is 3 into 4. It becomes like a 3 into 4. Next 3 into 2. Next 3 into minus 1. Next 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So finally, what is 3 4s are? 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Next 3 into minus 1. Plus into minus minus. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Next 3 into 5. 15. This is what scalar multiplication. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ another example, that is 3a ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, in which 3 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ, that is a constant. 3 is a constant and what about a? Where a is a matrix. Where a is a matrix. Constant ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ matrix ಗೆ multiply ಮಾಡೋ procedure ಗೆ we are going to call it as scalar multiplication of matrix. Fine. Next, one more, that is our last topic in this video. I'm going to proceed with the next video. ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿರೋಂಥ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ರೋಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಂಟು ರೋಸ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 3, minus 2, 4, 1, 5, 7. This is a matrix. Then the transpose of matrix, usually we are going to denote it by a to the power of 1, or some cases a to the power of capital letter T, or some cases a to the power of small letter t also. Okay. So in this way nalli ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ represent ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So majorly we are going to denote it by a to the power of 1 or a to the power of capital letter T. Suppose A is a matrix, here example, A is a matrix, then its transpose of A is, okay, transpose of matrix, transpose of matrix, we are going to denote it by a to the power of T, okay. What is the transpose? Transpose means interchanging of elements from row to column or column to rows. See, observe here, this is in a first row, which these elements I am going to write in column way. That means 3, minus 2, 4. Next is 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7. This is what transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. I hope it's clear. See, this is one more example I am going to consider here. Example problem. If A equal to 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 7, 8, minus 3, 4. This is a matrix. Then A transpose equal to, what is that transpose means? It is for interchanging of rows into column. So the reason, first row nalli iranta elements nalla ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, first column ಆಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 2, 3, Second row's elements are 1, 5, 7. Third row elements are 8, minus 3, 4. This is the transpose of A matrix. What is the size? A matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ 3 cross 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 cross 3 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Clear, right? One more example for your understanding purpose. One more example. Suppose A equal to 3, 2, minus 1, 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is A matrix. What is the size of A matrix here? That is 2 rows into 3 column. Coming to A transpose anta bandre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಈಗ? It will becomes 3, 2, minus 1. First row elements which are arranged in first column. Second row elements again ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ second column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ 5, 4, 5, 6. So now what you can observe here, first A ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 cross 3 ಇತ್ತು. Then what about A transpose? It is 3 rows into 2 column. 3 rows into 2 column. This is the ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾನು ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ CET ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಆಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ from this week only we are going to start our CET classes also. Those who wish to join with us, you can join our classes also. And ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಖುಷಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಕಮೆಂಟಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ನ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.